Good day everyone. Lately, a lot of persons have been asking me how I used to do my video. Let me show you the video I'm talking about. Okay, these are some of my videos.
Youths of Ishaku, forget CVs, forget job applications. Today, I have come to empower you. Each beneficiary will receive frying pan, charcoal burner, corn, groundnuts. This is modern entrepreneurship. All you need is fire.
Okay, we have this one, and I have many of them that I've done lately, and people have been asking how
People complain of no jobs and that the government is not doing anything about it. But if we provide jobs for everyone today, who will roast corn for you tomorrow?
So basically, there's nothing hard about this stuff. I have been replying some persons, but seems I've been giving the same response to almost everybody coming to my DM. So I think the best thing I can do is just to create a video that once anybody asks, I will send the link of the video to the person instead of guiding everybody on how to do animation like that. And one of the reasons why everybody wants to know how I does mine is because the person look exactly like me. So I will show you. The only thing you need for this thing to work is one, your phone. You must have a smartphone. If you have the system, good, but the minimum requirement is your smartphone. Once you have your smartphone, you are good to go. And the next thing you will need is internet. You have access to internet. So let's just dive in. So you just come to this place. You can use your Chrome, but I will be using Mrs. Browser. I use Mrs. Browser most times. So once you come to your Mrs. Browser, this is my Mrs. Browser. So Chrome is just a browser, the same thing as Mrs. Browser. So, okay, what's this? Sorry, I'm offline. I forgot to turn on my data. So remember I said one of the requirements is access to data. You must have internet. So once the Mrs. Browser is up, you search for Wix. Wix is WHIXK. So when it comes up, we'll use the first option, the one that is showing Wix, the one that is showing labs.google.fx. The Google there just shows that this particular AI is being owned by Google. So for you to make use of it, you need to have a Google account. So by default, once it comes up like this, it will ask you to sign in using your Google account. That is to say, you must have a Google account to use it. So I'm not getting that screen now because I have done that process before. But since you are the one doing it, you need to sign up or sign in using your Google account. Then just click OK, next, until you get to this page that is showing new project. So if you notice, I have many projects here that I've been working on. If I should click on any of them, you'll see all the works I've been doing with those projects. But for the sake of this lesson, we'll just need to click on this new project. So after pressing the new project, this is what you will get, a page like this. So you can use this page to create all your videos. All you just need to do is just to come click on that side showing what do you want to create. If you're looking at the side of the place showing video 10 seconds and 1x, you see arrow there. The arrow is not active because you've not typed anything. So first you need to type something before you can create something. Like they used to say, you can't put nothing on nothing. So this side now, I just clicked on that video. So you can create different length of videos. We have the 10 seconds, the 8 seconds, the 6 seconds, and the 4 seconds. So that's the length you can create for free version, because what we are using basically is free when we've not upgraded to the paid version. So the maximum length you can get is that of the 10 seconds. So, and for the 10 seconds you can only create a maximum of 3 videos per day, because Google will give you 45 credits, and each 10 seconds video takes 15 credits. So that 15 credits, now if you do if you create one video 15 credits, you create another one 15 credit, and you create the third one 15 credit, that is the 45 credit. It means you've consumed the whole of the 45 credits. You won't be able to create another video for that day. So like I said, you can only create 3 10-second video daily. Now if we're talking about image, if you want to generate image, you can generate as much as 1 million image per day, because the image generation service does not require it does not require any service. I mean credit. So if we click on that image now, you are seeing generating we use 0 credit. That means it won't use any credit. That means you can create as many image you want to generate, any kind of image. Sometimes I do generate image too. So the next thing now, like I said, many people asking me about how I create my videos is because the video character look much like me. Like some persons might even ask, where did you create this video? Were you the one that did it? I will say AI, and they will ask which of the AI. So this is the AI I've been using. So we'll go back to video. So for you to add a reference, the first thing you want to do is to click on this plus button. After clicking the plus button, it will bring you to this screen. So this screen that it brings you to now, you don't have any reference image here, so you just click on that icon. It will bring you to your files. If you've not given your file permission already, it will give you permission. So I'm selecting these fixed pictures. That's what I will use as my reference. So we'll wait for it to load, to upload. So the uploading speed depends on your image size and your network. So we just need wait for it to upload. So after it upload, we'll continue. Okay, fine. So since it's up, we just need to select it. So if you select it, you can see it brought it to that place you want to type your prompt. Why it's there, it means you're telling the AI to make reference to this image I've attached. So subsequently, if you want to, like now I'm trying to add another reference image, because you can add multiple reference image, or better still, we should just continue with one. Okay, so now I will just cancel it by pressing that X there. Then I will just type something, and what is trending now is this roasted corn, kuli, and what's the name, and akara. So we'll just type something related. I think we use kuli. Nobody has used kuli. No, just go with what people has been using. So we should go with the roasted corn. Sorry for the network. So what I want to type now is something like me. That me is like making reference to this image. You know, there are many characters, so I will say me, so you will know that the reference I added is the me I'm talking about. So I will say something like me in a busy marketplace in Nigeria. I can decide to just say me in a busy marketplace in Africa, me in a busy marketplace anywhere. So I will just fast forward what I'm typing so that I won't waste our time. So once we're done typing, doing the build of Akara Queen, so once we're done typing, you just click that bright arrow key, and now you can see the video is now generating. But before it generates, it will pass through some process. You can see it is the one at the top, the one below is the reference image. So even if you want to make another video, if you just click that plus button, you just attach the same reference image. Suppose you want to use the same character, so this your image now is not generating now it's checking to see if it meets some requirement, like whether you talked about president or you talk about the government, because they won't want you to promote hate and other stuff. So it will pass all this process. If they find any fault in it, they will stop it. They will tell you that now it's generating. You can see it's reading percentage 5%, 6%. It will keep, now it's generating. That means it has passed all those requirements. But if it did not pass, they will tell you that you cannot generate the video because their policy did not allow that. So that's the message you get. And if you get that message, your point is still active. They only deduct your point after the video is being generated successfully. So now our video is generated. Let's check the video and see what we've done. So I forgot to tell you that each prompt I write should generate one video. By default, it will be generating 2 videos.
How much are you selling your corn?
Hey, give me 2 corns. I am here to do the bidding of the Akara Queen.
How much are you selling your corn?
Hey, give me 2 corns. I am here to do the bidding of the Akara Queen.
Since the video is playing very fine and okay, the next thing you want to do is to download the video. So you touch this download button that is showing up there. If you look at the up, yes, then you just click on the original size to download. Alternatively, you can just go back, hold down the video and click download from other menus there. So that will be all for now. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can leave it in the comment section and I will sure get back to you. Thank you.